Are you new at sewing? In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to make a beautiful gathered skirt step by step, even if you've never sewn clothes before. So let's dive into it. In this tutorial, I'll be needing my fabric, my scissors, my tape, my chalk, and my ruler. For this tutorial, I'm making a skirt for my daughter, so I don't need much fabric. I just use the pieces which I have. So I went ahead to take the length of my skirt and I removed my waistband, which is 1 inch. I started the measurement from 1 inch and then I'll be marking how long I want my skirt to be. Then to determine how I want my gathers to be, I went ahead to measure how long the fabric is, and it is exactly 47. But if you want yours to be fuller than mine, you're going to make it more longer. So after measuring that, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and I'm going to make a loose stitch on the edges using 1/2 inch. So after making the loose stitch, this is how it looks like. I went ahead to drag on one of my threads and then I'll be dragging just that one of my thread, so it will start gathering the fabric just like this. If it's the first time you're seeing my channel, you're welcome. In this channel we post weekly videos of beginner friendly sewing, and if this is what you're interested in, then you should hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime we post a new video on the channel. And please do not forget to give us a thumbs up and also share the video. So I went ahead to keep dragging the thread and adjusting the fabric just like this, as you're seeing it gathering so perfectly. And this is a very easy skirt to make, I tell you. Still try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Tell you what, I bet that we could see it new. I wanna let you, nothing to do. Let's throw all our worries away. I know that it takes two. And then I went ahead to tie a knot on the other ends of my thread so it doesn't pull off as I'm gathering this other side. So after dragging and adjusting, I went ahead to measure what I have there, and it's exactly what I wanted it to be. So the next thing I did was to join the two edges together using 1/2 inch. So the next thing I did was to bring in my waistband, which was 1.5 inches wide, because I'll be using 1/2 inch for sewing allowance. And then I took the measurement of the length of the waistband, which was 21.5 inches long. The 1/2 inch there is for sewing allowance. So I went ahead to open it up. I'll be stitching along the side using 1/2 inch of allowance, and then after stitching I will fold it in like this, opening the edges, fold it in like this, and then I'll bring in my skirt. As you can see, both my waistband and my skirt are on the same length, so I'm bringing it in just like this, bringing my waistband in on top my skirt. Then I'll sew it round and I'm going to leave an opening where I'm going to pass through my elastic. So I'll take it to the sewing machine now and I'll make the stitches. After making the stitches, this is how it looks like. Very beautiful, and it's already coming out. Then this is the opening which I left for my elastic to pass through. So I'll go ahead to get my elastic, which was my exact waist measurement. Using my safety pin, I'm going to pass it through from that opening which I left. I made use of this 1/2 inch elastic because I do not have that 1 inch elastic. You can make use of a 1 inch elastic. It's even more preferable, but for this video I'm making do of what I have. So for the edges of the elastic I had to make a knot, but if you're using a 1 inch elastic then you have to sew the edges together. And this is it guys, it's very beautiful and easy to sew. After I finish putting the elastic, I'll go ahead to stitch on top of it, to top stitch it on my waistband, but that is optional. If you do not want that, you can as well leave it like this. Then I went ahead to close up that opening where I passed through my elastic, and voila, this is how it is guys. Very beautiful, very easy, and very beginner friendly. So thank you guys for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.